In this video, we'll learn how to use conditional logic with the text input widget to create smarter and more interactive documents. Let's get started. First, upload your document or open an existing draft. In this example, we'll use conditional logic to display additional fields only when specific conditions are met. Start by dragging and dropping a text input widget onto the document and rename it Result. Next, add another text input widget and rename it Designation. Enable conditional logic. For the action, select Show this field. Set the condition type to All. Click Add Rule. Set the trigger widget to Result, the operator to Equals, and the value to Pass. Next, let's see how any condition, or, works. Add a checkbox widget and rename it Employee Type. Create two checkbox options. On Contract and Second Permanent. And save it. Now, add another text input widget and rename it Annual CTC. And then enable conditional logic. For the action, select Show this field. Change the condition type to any condition, or configure the first rule, set the trigger widget to Result, the operator to Equals, and the value to Pass. Then click Add Rule and configure the second rule, set the trigger widget Employee Type, the operator to Equals, and the value to Permanent. Click Save to apply the configuration. Now, add a signature widget, assign it to the signer, and send the document for signature. Once the document loads in the signing view, let's see how the conditional logic works. Notice that the designation and annual CTC fields are hidden by default because none of the configured conditions have been met. First, enter any value other than pass in the result field. As you can see, the designation field remains hidden, and the annual CTC field is also hidden. Now, change the result value to pass. Immediately, the designation field becomes visible because the All Conditions rule has been satisfied. At the same time, the annual CTC field also becomes visible because one of its any condition, or, rules has been met. Next, change the result value to failed. You'll notice that both the designation and annual CTC fields are hidden again because the pass condition is no longer true. Now, select Permanent under the Employee Type checkbox. Even though the result field contains failed, the annual CTC field becomes visible again because the Permanent checkbox satisfies the second or condition. This demonstrates how any condition, or, works, only one of the configured conditions needs to be true for the action to be executed. Try it yourself and experiment with different conditions and actions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll explore more conditional logic examples in OpenSign.